Alright folks, let's start talking about how to make money or making money. Because let's be honest, we are all tired of eating instant noodles and pretending we like it. But what if I told you there is a way to make money using AI? And no, I'm not talking about building a robot to rob a bank. Though honestly, that's not a bad idea. I'm talking about Deepseek AI. Deepseek AI is like that friend who is good at everything. You need content, it's done. Need data analysis, easy. Need someone to tell you where your ex was wrong? Well, maybe not that, but close enough. Today I'm going to show you how to turn Deepseek into your personal money making machine. Let's go, guys. First up, content creation. If you have ever tried to write a blog post, you know it's like pulling teeth, except the teeth are your creativity, and the pillars are your deadlines. But with Deepseek, you can generate high quality content in minutes. Blog posts, social media captions, even love letters to your cat. The possibilities are endless. Yeah, you see, Deepseek just load this for me actually, and honestly my cat is smarter than me. She figured out how to open the fridge and I still can't figure out how to fold a fidget sheet. My guys. Okay, next, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of people willing to pay for your skills, but here is the secret: you don't need skills, you just need Deepseek. Offer services like content writing, data analysis, or even chatbot creation. Deepseek does the work and you take the credit. It's like having an intern, except it doesn't judge you for watching Netflix all day. Oh guys, look at the gig. Look at this gig I created. People are already lining up to pay me $500 to write their emails. Oh, the best part, Deepseek's doing all the work. I'm just here in the snacks eating. Now, let's talk about data analysis. If spreadsheets give you nightmares, you are not alone, but Deepseek can analyze data faster than you can say, what does this formula even mean? Use it to create reports, analyze trends, or even predict the stock market. Okay? Maybe not the stock market, unless you want to lose money and cry into your silly, but yeah, you get the idea. Deepseek just analyzed 100,000 data points and concluded that people love pizza on Fridays. Groundbreaking stuff, right? But hey, someone's paying for that insight, and that's not me. Finally, chatbots. With Deepseek, you can create AI-powered chatbots for businesses. Imagine getting paid to build a robot that answers customer questions while watching your favorite show. It's like having a minion but without yellow overalls. You see that? Even chatbots know pizza is the answer to everything, and you are making money while they are at it. Win-win. Oh guys. Once you have mastered these steps, it's time to scale up. Offer more services, build a portfolio, and watch the money roll in. Before you know it, you'll be quitting your day job, and living the dream. And by the dream, I mean working from home in your pajamas. But hey, it's still a dream. So there you have it, folks. How to make money with Deepseek AI. It's easy, it's fun, and doesn't involve selling your soul or learning how to fold a fitted sheet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. And remember, the future is AI, so why not get paid for it? Eh? If the future is AI, so why not get paid for it? Until next time, stay awesome and keep making money. I remain Naboyuji, you guy. All's the best of the best, the king of YouTube. Chigasoft is their company. We do websites, we do applications, we upgrade softwares, we create custom-made softwares. We are the AI of Africa. We are the AI of the future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.